Hey, Allison Cram here. I'm here today because I want to help you create the abundant life you dream of and you deserve. And because I want to help you learn how to live your life on your terms for the benefit of you, your family, and those that you influence. And so if you are new to this channel and you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the thumbs up button and also make some comments after the video. I would love to hear your thoughts and ideas. So today you're here because you are looking for how to get started in affiliate marketing online as a complete newbie. And I have 5 key components that will help you with that. These are things that I wish I had known. You see, about 2 years ago, I came to a point in my life where I realized my life was not turning out at all like I had hoped it would. I was very focused on my career. I was an educator. I was a school principal, a school counselor, and then I became a school principal. And I was very focused on my career, but what that meant was working 60 to 70 hours a week. And I was tired all the time. My health was going down. I had no time to travel, to spend time with family and friends. My finances were always tight. It just wasn't the life I wanted. And so I decided one day, I was like, this has to change. And as long as I keep doing what I've been doing, it's never going to change. And so I started looking for alternatives. And I started looking for ways that I could create income or generate income by working online. And I'll tell you, there's a lot of ways out there. Don't let anybody tell you that it's all a scam, because it's not. There is so much available out there, and there's a myriad of ways, and now almost there's too much. And that's what got me, was I was so overwhelmed and I had no clue where to start or what to do. And so over the next 2 years, I wasted a lot of time, a lot of energy, thousands of dollars, and a lot of frustration and discouragement. And so as a result of that, my goal is to help you not have to go through that. And so I want to share with you today these 5 key components that will help you as you get started. I ran across a mentor after about 1.5 years who shared with me a new program that was just starting up, that is a training program that teaches you step by step exactly how to accomplish what you want to accomplish, and exactly how to build your business, and exactly how to put all the different pieces together so they all make sense. And within 3 weeks of working with this new training program, I generated my first $500 online, and I was so excited. And so I want to help you do that without all the frustration and stuff. So here's 5 key components that will help you with that. Key component number 1, determine to succeed and go the distance. I promise you that it is possible to make all the money you could ever want online. I promise you that. However, it will not be easy. I promise you that as well. It will take work. It will take consistency. It will take determination. It will take time. There will be struggles. There will be challenges. But in the end, I promise you, it will all be worth it. And so when you go into it, you have to go in with the mindset that you are going to stay committed no matter what. So key component number 1, determine to succeed, and determine that you are going to go the distance. Key component number 2. This is what made the difference for me. I found a mentor. So what key component number 2 is, get a great mentor. Someone who has proven success record in making the kind of money online that you want to make. And somebody who has the ability to teach a complete newbie how to do that. Because it's different to teach newbies than it is to teach those who have been online for years. We have everything to learn when we're complete newbies. We don't even know where to go to find how to send out emails to mass groups of people. We don't know how to collect money online. We don't know how to do any of that. And so they have to teach us all the technical details. They have to teach us the mindset. They have to teach us how to put it all together. They have to teach us how to set the foundation. They have to teach us how to do marketing. It all has to be taught to us. And so you have to find a mentor, a coach who is patient and willing and committed to your success and willing to work with you as a complete newbie. So key component number 2, find a great mentor. Key component number 3, commit to learning, growing, and investing in yourself. We are the results of our habits, our attitudes, and our choices from our whole life. Regardless of where you're at, regardless of what path your life is currently on, it is the result of your attitudes. It's the result of your beliefs. It's the result of your philosophies. It's the result of the choices that you've made. And so if you're not happy with where you are, if you want something different, then we have to be willing to learn and to grow and to invest in our personal development. And we have to be able to invest not just time and energy, but it will take some money. Think of it this way. If you were to go to college to become an educator, to go to college to become a nurse, a doctor, a physician, a lawyer, whatever it is, if you're going to go to college for anything, it's going to cost you money. But I promise you, to get started online costs way less than what 1 year of college costs. I looked up college tuition costs the other day, and it's amazing how much they are. And so this is not that at all, but you're never going to be able to find a program that for $25, you'll be able to make $1 million. It just doesn't happen. You have to be willing to invest more. So key component number 3 is commit to learning, to growing, and investing in yourself. Key component number 4 is to focus on mastery in one niche. So what I mean by that is you can do all kinds of things online. You can sell on eBay. You can sell on Amazon. You can do Amazon drop shipping. You can do affiliate marketing. You can sell network marketing, multi-level marketing, whatever. You can do all kinds of stuff. The list is numerous. There's all kinds of things you can do. And what happens is a lot of times people get online and they try something for a month or two and they're like, oh, it's not working. I haven't made $1,000 a day yet. And so then they switch to something else. And so you have to be willing to focus on one, commit to one, do some study, find the different things that are out there, find the thing that resonates best with you and your personality and what you like to do and what really speaks to you, and find that thing and then go after it. Commit to it. Stay focused on it. A lot of shiny objects will come your way. A lot of distractions will come your way, but be willing to stay focused and be willing to stay until you go deep with that one niche, and so that you really know it, you understand it, you can generate income at will with that one niche. And then if you want to expand and break into others, that's great. Go do it. No problem. But be willing to focus on that one. And key component number 5 is you need to learn to master strategies and principles that will endure over time. The market online is constantly changing. The expectations. Facebook is constantly changing their algorithms. Instagram changing. YouTube changing. All these mediums are all changing how they want you to do things on, the technical tactics and skills and stuff like that. So what you need to have are the principles and strategies behind driving traffic, the principles and strategies behind capturing leads, the principles and strategies behind how to convert a lead into a customer. All these principles and strategies you need to have instead of tricks, because the tricks will not work for you forever. But principles and strategies, those will get you through to the very end. So if you are interested in building an income online, then I urge you to think about these 5 key components that I just mentioned. And if you really want to find a system that allows you to learn step by step as a complete newbie, if you want to find a system that provides you with an incredible mentor and coach, if you want to find a system that will lay a foundation for you to be able to grow your business as big as possible, as you could ever dream of it, then I urge you to click the link in the description down below and check out the system that I found. And I promise you, you won't find anything better than this on the market anywhere. I have friends who have been in online marketing for 10 plus years who make 20, 30,000 or more a month online. And they are saying that there is no other system like this out there, that it is the best they have seen, hands down. And so check it out. And if it resonates with you, great. If not, that's all right. Anyway, I just wanted to share those 5 components with you. I want you to have the same kind of success that now I'm finding online. And again, thank you for watching. And if you liked what you heard here, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to please subscribe, I would love to have you subscribe and to share more information with you as we move along. And also comment below what your takeaways from this video are. So Again, this is Allison Cram. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a really blessed day, and I hope that you never give up on your dreams.